हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल शिक्षक जंक्शन। क्योंकि अब नहीं तो कब, एज we have promised to come up with the important questions of this chapter. So here I am with some of the most important questions of actually both the chapters, that is the human reproduction and the reproductive health. So without wasting much of the time, let's directly get on to the questions part. ठीक है, सबसे पहले MCQs को डिस्कस करेंगे। तो जो हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है दैट इज, yes, I'll provide you with the answer sheets, but for that you have to just have a patience and then note down the answers in your notebook so that you can check your learning experience, whatever you have grasped through the lectures. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन है, द सेकेंड मैच्यूरेशन डिवीजन ऑफ द मेमेलियन ओवम अकर्स, द ऑप्शंस आर ए until after the ovum has been penetrated by the sperm, option B until the nucleus of the sperm has fused with that of the ovum, option C in the Graafian follicle after the first maturation division, or option D shortly after the ovulation before the ovum makes entry into the fallopian tube. Right? अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, you just have a look and try to write down the correct answer. Moving on to the next question, number 2, it is, which of the following groups of cells in the male gonad represent haploid cells? Okay, so the options are A spermatogonial cells, B germinal epithelial cells, C secondary spermatocytes, or D it is primary spermatocytes. Right? Next question, number 3, the sac shaped like an upside down pear with a thick lining and muscles in the pelvic area where a fertilized egg or zygote comes to grow into a baby is called. सिंपल क्वेश्चन है बट थोड़ा सा घूमा हुआ है. दैट इज हाउ दी क्वेश्चंस आर आस्क्ड इन द एग्जाम. द सिंपल क्वेश्चंस आर कन्वर्टेड इनटू द कॉम्प्लिकेटेड वंस. व्हाट यू हैव टू जस्ट पे or what you have to just learn is how to read the question. That becomes an important point when there are easy questions. So options are A oviduct, B uterus, C vagina or vagina, or D vulva. Right? Next question, number 4, which of the following statement regarding human development is correct? This correct should be made underlined. जब भी आप ऐसे क्वेश्चंस को देखो तो सबसे पहले जो करेक्ट या इनकरेक्ट है उसको अंडरलाइन कर लो या उसको हाईलाइट कर लो, सो दैट यू मे हैव अ नोट कि हमें ऑप्शन कौन सा चूज करना है, अदरवाइज उसी में कंफ्यूजन हो जाता है. तो ऑप्शन है, ओव्यूलेशन अकर्स एट प्राइमरी oocyte स्टेज, कोरियन डेवलप्स फ्रॉम इनर सेल मास, ऑप्शन सी है एम्ब्रायोनिक डिस्क डेवलप्स फ्रॉम द ट्रोफोब्लास्ट, और ऑप्शन डी primitive streak is formed in the post part of the embryonic sheath. Right? Easy question है but yes important question भी है, और अगर डिटेल्स किसी को मिस हो रही हो तो you can go back to the lectures and have a note at it. Again question number 5, an easy question yet important question. What it is? Fertilization in humans usually takes place in, देखो अब हो सकता है ऑप्शन देख के आपको confusion होगा, लेकिन बिल्कुल सिंपल है. जब आपको आंसर मिलेंगे तो आपको लगेगा अरे ये तो हमें पता था. ऑप्शन है ए इट इज यूट्रस, बी ग्राफियन फॉलिकल, सी ओवरी, या फिर डी फैलोपियन ट्यूब. तो मार्क द करेक्ट आंसर एंड देन यू विल चेक इट एट द एंड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, ग्राफियन फॉलिकल इज मेंटेन्ड ड्यू टू द एक्टिविटी ऑफ ए एस्ट्रोजन, बी प्रोलैक्टिन, C luteinizing hormone, or you can say LH also, or it is D FSH, that is follicle stimulating hormone. शॉर्ट फॉर्म लिखी हुई है, मैं इसकी जो वो है फुल फॉर्म वो भी लिख देती हूँ सो दैट यू माइट नॉट फॉरगेट व्हाट इट इज. ठीक है, फॉलिकल स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ FSH. राइट? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, आप जब ये सारे क्वेश्चंस को देखोगे आई नो आपको लगेगा कि इजी हैं, बट दीज इजी क्वेश्चंस बिकम्स द मोस्ट कंफ्यूजिंग स्पेशली ड्यूरिंग द एग्जामिनेशन प्रेशर. सो यू हैव टू टेक केयर दैट वेरी पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट इन योर माइंड. Next, urethral meatus refers to A urinogenital tract, B opening of vas deferens into urethra, C external opening of the urinogenital tract, or D muscles surrounding the urinogenital tract. Next question number 8, How many, again an easy and important question, and yes, confusing also. How many functional sperms and how many ova will be formed by a primary spermatocyte and a primary oocyte respectively? Options are 4,1, B 1,4, C 1,1 or D 4,4. Okay, just read the question again. Reading becomes very important. Read the question carefully and have a note of what it is. Next question, number 9. Cell division in the secondary oocyte. Again an underlining part or highlighting part in this question. Cell division in the secondary oocyte is suspended at A anaphase 2, B metaphase 2, C prophase 2 or D telophase 2. Okay, next question, number 10. Morula is the developmental stage, again and what you can say logical question. Yes, is a developmental stage between the zygote and blastocyst, B between the blastocyst and gastrula, C after the implantation, या फिर D between implantation and parturition. Right? Next question, number 11. Menstruation results in the discharge of A corpus luteum of the uterus, B surface cells from the vagina, C blood from the outer surface of the uterus या फिर D the endometrial lining. आई नो कि आपको लग रहा होगा क्वेश्चंस इजी हैं, बट कुछ को लग रहा होगा कि कंफ्यूजिंग भी हैं. येस दे आर एंड यू हैव टू मार्क द करेक्ट आंसर. डोंट जस्ट वेट फॉर द आंसर शीट टू कम अप इन द लेक्चर. यू जस्ट हैव टू मार्क इट एंड देन you have to correct it. That should be your criteria to solve these questions, right? Next, which of the following statements regarding Sertoli cells is correct? Again an important question. Correct आपको highlight करना है, मैंने भी इसीलिए उसको highlight कर दिया है. ठीक है. it is found in the seminiferous tubule and secrete testosterone hormone. B, it is placed when the spermatozoa is concentrated and stored until ejaculation. C, it secretes spermatozoa activating substances like fructose, citrate, inositol, prostaglandin and protein. या फिर D, it is found in the seminiferous tubule and function as nerve cells for differentiating spermatozoa. Right? Next question, number 13. The easy question A. The head of a mature mammalian sperm is made up of an acrosome, elongated nucleus covered by acrosome, two centriole and an axial filament, nucleus, acrosome, cytoplasm and mitochondrial sheath. अब देखो आपको लग रहा होगा कि सारे के सारे ऑप्शंस करेक्ट हैं. देखो फिर से वही बात हुई, क्वेश्चन इजी है, ऑप्शंस कंफ्यूजिंग डाल दिए. यही क्राइटेरिया होता है एग्जाम्स में. नेक्स्ट पार्ट, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. The part of fallopian tube closer to the ovary is isthmus, vestibule, infundibulum या फिर D ampulla. Easy question है, important question है, confusing question भी है. वैसे तो सारे questions मैं confusing ही बोल रही हूँ और मैंने डालने का भी purpose वही है. Next question number 15. Intensely lactating mothers do not generally conceive due to A, suppression of gonadotropins, B, hypersecretion of gonadotropin, C, suppression of gametic transport या फिर D, suppression of fertilization. Moving on to the next question number 16. I hope आप सबके आंसर्स लिख रहे होंगे and you are not waiting for the answer sheet to come up in the lecture, है ना? यही होना चाहिए आपका follow up. Then only the purpose of giving you the questions will be successful. Next, diaphragms are the contraceptive devices used by the females. Choose the correct option. Again, correct option. Options are they are reusable, they block the entry of sperms, they are placed to cover the cervix, और D all of these. ये जो मैं टिक मार्क लगा रही हूँ, अगर आपने वीडियो स्किप करी होगी तो आपको लगेगा कि मैम ने सारे ऑप्शंस करेक्ट लगाए हैं. आई एम जस्ट रीडिंग आउट, आई एम नॉट मार्किंग द आंसर्स. ओके. नेक्स्ट, एंट्रम इज द फ्लूइड फिल्ड कैविटी ऑफ A, ovary, B, gastrula, C, Graafian follicle or D, it is blastula. Right? Next question number 18. This will be the last slide for the MCQ questions. उसके बाद डिटेल मतलब subjective questions भी हैं, that also we will talk about. हाँ, next question is which of the following is the first change that occurs to the zygote after fertilization? A है it divides to form a hollow ball of cells called as the blastocyst. B, it begins to secrete the hormones. C. It contacts the endometrial wall of the uterus and becomes buried inside it. या फिर D. It initiates the formation of a placenta. Right? Second last question of this MCQ number 19. In which of the following ARTs, now what actually ART is it is assisted, देखो रिवाइज भी करा देती हूँ एक बार, assisted reproductive technologies, this is how this ART goes, है ना. In which of the following ARTs does in vivo fertilization occurs? अब इसकी डिटेल भी आपको लेक्चर में ही मिलेंगी, मैंने इन विवो और इन विट्रो में डिफरेंस भी अच्छे से आपको समझाया था. A है ZIFT, B है GIFT, C है ICSI या फिर D IVF. All are written in the short form. That means you have to go very well through the lectures. Next question number 20. Emergency contraceptives are effective if used within A. 72 hours of coitus, B. 72 hours of ovulation, C. 72 hours of menstruation, or D. 72 hours of implantation. This is all about the MCQ questions. Answers you will get, but where, that I'll let you know. Next, moving on to the board level exercises. Again an important point to discuss. ये star थोड़ा अजीब सा बन गया. हाँ अब ठीक है चलो. First question, what is fetal? See, I have just given you the points in case of the subjective answers. The details, for the details if you want to refer, I have given you the reference of the lecture that I have only provided on the channel. Just if you want the references, just go to that particular lecture and have a look if you want the detailings. Okay. So number 1 is, what is fetal ejection reflex? How does it cause parturition? तो आंसर है mild uterine contractions that arise from the parturition signals from fully developed fetus and placenta is termed as the fetal ejection reflex. What happens is it stimulates the release of hormone oxytocin, which causes the uterine contractions, and uterine contractions again leads to the release of the oxytocin secretion. So this goes on higher, which leads to the stronger contractions. This oxytocin, or the stronger release of this oxytocin hormone, leads to the expulsion of the baby out of the uterus through the cervical canal. This is known as fetal ejection reflex. Details are there within the lecture number 40 in which we have talked this very particular thing in much of detail. Just go and have a look at it if you are not clear. Next, write the effect of high concentration of LH, that is luteinizing hormone, and mature Graafian follicle. So answer goes like this: LH reaches the maximum level during the mid of the menstrual cycle, that is known as LH surge. We have talked about this very particular thing through a figure, right? It induces rupture if Graafian follicle, which causes the ovulation. So that is how this leads to the increased amount of LH hormone leads to the release of the ovum, which causes the ovulation, right? Next question, हाउ इज इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, थोड़ा कॉन्सेप्चुअल भी है, अगर आपने ध्यान से पढ़ा होगा तभी आप इसको आंसर कर पाओगे. अगर कुछ भी कंफ्यूजन है, आई हैव गिवन यू विद द डिटेल्स ऑफ द लेक्चर, यू कैन डायरेक्टली गो एंड विजिट दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग. हाउ इज अ प्राइमरी oocyte डिफरेंट फ्रॉम सेकेंडरी oocyte? ठीक है, सबसे पहले तो क्लॉइडी लेवल के टर्म्स में डिफरेंस आता है. प्राइमरी oocyte इज अ डिप्लॉइड सेल, सेकेंडरी oocyte इज अ हैप्लॉइड सेल. हाउ? प्राइमरी oocyte is formed when oogonia are at the prophase 1 of the meiotic division in the fetal ovary. That is what we have talked about again with the figure in the oogenesis part. Whereas the secondary oocyte is formed from the primary oocyte after meiosis 1 to produce ova in the females at what particular stage? At the stage of the puberty. That is how this primary oocyte is different from secondary oocyte. Right? Details are there within the lecture number 35 under the oogenesis portion. Next, why are non-medicated methods not as effective as the copper ions releasing IUDs or intrauterine devices? So we have talked about this very particular thing in lecture number 43. Details are there within. So copper ions reduce the fertilizing capacity and the motility of the sperms. They phagocytose the sperms inside the uterus, which in turn leads to the conception. Safe, effective and convenient method. That is why these IUDs, especially the copper releasing IUDs, are very effective, right? Next question, Significance of the following stages during the lifetime of a female: menarche and menopause. Okay, my marker has been blocked, just wait for a time so that I can just correct it out. Okay, let me just do it. I'll just move on. I'll just leave the digibook. Okay, हाँ चलो डिस्कस करते हैं ये भी, ठीक है। मीनार्क और मीनोपॉज का इंपॉर्टेंस क्या होता है विद इन द लाइफ टाइम ऑफ अ फीमेल? तो मीनार्क इज एक्चुअली द ऑनसेट ऑफ मेंस्ट्रुएशन एट द प्यूबर्टी and it actually indicates the attainment of sexual maturity, whereas menopause is the time or is that particular phase where this menstrual cycle comes to a halt, indicating the end of the fertile period as the process of ovulation stops. So what happens is cyclic menstruation is the regular reproductive phase stretching from the menarche to menopause. Details are there in the lecture number 36. Just go and have a look at it if at all you are not clear with it. Okay. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इजी क्वेश्चन, शॉर्ट मार्क क्वेश्चन। देखो मिक्स हैं सारे क्वेश्चंस के, ठीक है। तो मेंशन वन पॉजिटिव एंड वन नेगेटिव एप्लीकेशन ऑफ एमनियोसेंटेसिस। पॉजिटिव एप्लीकेशन वी हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट, स्पेशली इन द डायग्नोसिस ऑफ द क्रोमोसोमल abnormality, so that the parents can decide whether they want that particular child or not, or yes, if it is curable then also treatment can be provided in that particular way. तो genetic disorder in the fetus को decide करने के लिए होता है। Negative application we all know, female feticide. Next, easy question again, state the significance of cervix in the female reproductive system. So cervix is actually what? It is the narrow opening through which the uterus opens into the vagina, and along with the vagina it forms the birth canal. That is how this cervix is important in case of the female's body. Next question. Question number 8. Okay, so what actually this question states, what write the main function each of testes and ovary. बहुत आसान क्वेश्चन है, लेकिन यूजुअली बच्चे मिस्टेक क्या करते हैं कि बस वो ये लिख देते हैं कि इट लीड्स टू द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द गैमेट्स, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट गैमेट्स दीज हॉर्मोन्स, दीज gonads or these structures actually leads to the production of hormones also. तो वो भी आपको मेंशन करना पड़ेगा। जैसे टेस्टिस में you have to mention the testosterone, in case of ovary you have to mention the hormone estrogen, progesterone also you can mention, but yes you have to mention that. यही मिस्टेक होती है जिसकी वजह से मैंने ये क्वेश्चन लिया है। सेकेंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन, अगेन मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ ARTs, तो ये हमने अभी भी डिस्कस कर लिया था MCQ में भी। तो डिटेल्स कहाँ पर है? लेक्चर नंबर 44। जस्ट गो इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट, और अगर तभी भी क्लियर नहीं होता तो आई एम देयर इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट। चलो लास्ट क्वेश्चन, where is acrosome present in the humans and write its function? तो it is very clear, it is present in the sperm head. फंक्शन इंपॉर्टेंट है जो यूजुअली बच्चे भूल जाते हैं, तो फंक्शन है इट कंटेन्स द हाइड्रोलिटिक एंजाइम्स इन ऑर्डर टू डिसॉल्व द मेम्ब्रेन्स ऑफ द ओवम, स्पेशली ड्यूरिंग द फर्टिलाइजेशन प्रोसेस. दैट इज व्हाई दिस एक्रोसोम इज इंपॉर्टेंट. इट कंटेन्स द सीक्रेशंस ऑफ Golgi apparatus or Golgi enzyme that are synthesized. Lectures we have discussed in our details we have discussed in our lecture number 34. Just have a look at that particular lecture if at all you want the details. So this is all about the questions. Yes, important part, answers to the MCQs are here. Just check whatever you have noted down in your notebooks regarding this particular thing. ठीक है, चेक करिए और अपने आप को इवेल्युएट कीजिए कि आपने कितना अच्छा किया है. राइट, एनी क्वेरीज आई एम अवेलेबल एट द इन द कमेंट सेक्शन और एट दिस वेरी पर्टिकुलर आईडी, जिसके लिए तो अभी तक आप लोग सब लोग फेमिलियर भी हो चुके हैं. तो येस, आई एम देयर फॉर योर डाउट्स एनी टाइम अवेलेबल. जस्ट राइट योर क्वेरी देयर एंड आई विल बी देयर टू सॉल्व दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग. ठीक है, आई होप यू हैव एंजॉयड द क्वेश्चंस. इफ एट ऑल यू आर फाइंडिंग एनी डिफिकल्टी इन एनी अदर क्वेश्चंस अपार्ट फ्रॉम दीज, आस्क इन द डाउट सेशन or in the comment section. I'll let you know what is the answer is. Okay, so we will meet in our next lecture. Till then, have a good day all of you. Take care. Radhe Radhe. Okay, bye bye.